Hi, this video is going to demonstrate how to run frequencies and descriptive statistics in SPSS. Once you have your data set open, you should get a screen similar to this. This is our practice data set that's available on Canvas. You may notice this looks very similar to like an Excel spreadsheet. The variable names are on the top row of the data set. And so variable names appear in the columns. You can think of columns as variables in your data set, and then rows represent each individual or participant in your data set. If you want to add a new variable to SPSS, you would click down here where it says variable view, and you would just add in a new variable. We'll just call it new. Let's just say it's a numeric variable with 2 decimal places. We could give it a label, new variable, and then you could pick the measurement scale, whether it's nominal, ordinal, or SPS calls interval ratio variables, scale variables. You just go back to your data view, and then you would just enter in your data, whatever it is for that new variable. So that's how you would enter data into SPSS. To run analyses, most of your statistical analyses are in the analysis menu in SPSS. Graphs is where you can find a lot of different graphs, especially if you get on here to legacy dialogues. You can see bar graphs, line graphs, box plots, histograms. But frequencies and descriptive statistics will be located here where it says descriptive statistics. You can click over here on frequencies, and you should get a pop-up box like this. You bring over whatever variable you would like frequency statistics on with like a frequency table, and put them over here in the variable side. If you click OK, you should get an output window that pops up. You can see that there are 43 valid cases with a weight variable, same thing for vacation. And then you can see there was one person in the data set who weighed 73 pounds, 2 people who weighed 88 pounds. Same thing with vacation. There were 11 people who selected Hawaii. There were 9 people who selected New York City. The frequency command also allows you to you can use the frequency command and also get some other like descriptive statistics. You can get the mean, median, and mode for your variables. You can get quartiles, or that would be like the 25th and 75th percentile. You can get the standard deviation, variance, and range. You can even get the skewness and kurtosis coefficient. You can also get charts. Out of here, we could select, say, a histogram chart, which the histogram is going to make a lot of sense for the vacation variable. So let's move it out of there. And then click OK. And then we can see our statistics here. The average weight was about 131 pounds. The median weight was 130. The mode weight was 130. We have our quartiles here. So the 25th percentile, the 50th percentile, which is the same thing as the median, and the 75th percentile. You have your estimate of your skewness and your kurtosis coefficient. So they're saying it's slightly positively skewed, nothing to worry about. And it's a little Plato coded, but again, nothing to worry about. And you can tell that kind of in this histogram here. A couple other useful tools is the descriptive procedure. This basically just gives your standard descriptive statistics for your variables. I think you can get more out of the frequency command than you actually do out of the descriptive command. Another useful command is this explore command. You can bring your variables over. You can request different statistics here, like percentiles. You can get plots. You can get a histogram, a stem and leaf plot. And then we'll learn about some of these other options later. You can see it gives you a lot more additional information. You'll see you get a mean, 95% confidence for that mean. Something called the 5% trimmed mean, where they trim 5% of the data off of either end and then compute the mean. You can get your variance, your standard deviation, the minimum maximum value, percentiles from the 5th all the way up to the 95th percentile. Your histogram and the stem and leaf, which is pretty much similar to a histogram. And then here is a box and whiskers plot as well. So that's just another useful tool for examining your variables. I hope this was a helpful tutorial, and if you have any questions, email me or post them to the message board. Thank you.